Determining the maximum amount of payload that can be carried. The primary function of a transport or cargo aircraft is to carry payload. This is the portion of the useful load, passengers, or cargo that produces revenue. To determine the maximum amount of payload that can be carried, follow a series of steps, considering both the maximum limits for the aircraft and the trip limits imposed by the particular trip. In each step, the trip limit must be less than the maximum limit. If it is not, the maximum limit must be used. These are the specifications for the aircraft in this example. Basic operating weight 100,500 pounds. Maximum zero fuel weight 138,000 pounds. Maximum landing weight 142,000 pounds. Maximum takeoff weight 184,200 pounds. Fuel tank load 54,000 pounds. Estimated fuel burn en route 40,000 pounds. First step, compute the maximum takeoff weight for this trip. This is the maximum landing weight plus the trip fuel. Second step, the trip limit is the lower, so it is used to determine the zero fuel weight. Third step, the trip limit is again lower, so use it to compute the maximum payload for this trip. Under these conditions, 27,500 pounds of payload may be carried.